What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deposit on Gocrypto. So you might be wondering, can you actually deposit here in Gocrypto? Well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, currently we are in the Gocrypto in this case app page for Google Play Store, and when we go to the about page here, as you can see right now, there's a section here that says master crypto trading with real-time simulations and exciting challenges. Now with that said, the app or the platform itself focuses on simulations. Now if you want to practice trading or just basically just try the crypto space here, well, in this case Gocrypto is a great way for you to learn the know-hows here. But the thing with Gocrypto here is, again, like what I said before, it's a simulation. When we access your account here, as you can see right now, we already have like balance in here. But the thing with this one is it's not real money. So you won't have any options here to basically deposit anything into your account here. So if you want to, like, for example, get additional funds into your account, you can actually click on the 504 video, which allows you to watch an ad on your account, and $500 will be added into your account here. Now with that said, again, Gocrypto here focuses on simulations, and it's not real money that you could actually use or withdraw or deposit into your account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.